Welcome. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to file the IEPF-5 form to claim your unpaid dividends, shares, or other financial instruments transferred to the Investor Education and Protection Fund, IEPF. Step 1. Visit the MCA services at www.mca.gov.in. From the menu navigation bar, go to IEPF-related services and select the option IEPF-5 Web Form, claiming unpaid amounts and shares. Step 2. Click on the Sign In, Sign Up option at the top navigation bar to register or log in to the MCA website. Once logged in, you can access MCA services including e-forms, payments, and annual filings via My Workspace. The IEPF-5 form is used to claim unpaid amounts and shares transferred to the Investor Education and Protection Fund under the Companies Act, 2013 before filing. Ensure you refer to the official instruction kit available on the IEPF website. Confirm whether you have an entitlement letter from the company or bank. Select Yes or No. If yes, upload a copy of the entitlement letter. Select whether the claim is filed by yourself or an authorized representative. If using an authorized representative, upload the signed authority letter. Select the category of applicant, individual, entity. Provide your personal details or entity information. First name, middle name, last name, father's name, date of birth for individuals, type of entity, registration number, name of entity, date of incorporation for entities. Fill in your address and contact details. Phone number, mobile number with country code. Enter OTP for mobile number verification. Email ID. Provide details of the company or bank from which the amount is due. Corporate identity number, CIN or bank CIN. Name and registered office address. Email ID of the company to bank indicate. If it is a case of transfer or transmission under Rules 7.8 and 7.9 of IEPF Rules 2016 by selecting Yes or No. Select the type of claim. Shares, amount, or both for share claims, provide. Folio number, type of holding, physical Demat. Number of shares, Demat account number. For amount claims, provide. Type of claim, e.g. unpaid dividend. Folio number, amount claimed. Financial year details. Provide the depository name, NSDL or CDSL, and the active Demat account number where shares will be credited. Ensure the Demat account is validated with correct DPID and client ID. The Demat account number is entered in the 16-digit alphanumeric form, DPID, CLIENTID. Provide your bank account details. Bank account number, bank name, IFSC code, MICR code. Attach supporting documents. Client master list. Securities certificates. Bank check, copy, Aadhaar copy, passport for NRIs. Other relevant documents as applicable read and accept the declaration by the claimant or authorized representative. Then proceed to e-sign the form for authentication. Review all details carefully, click Submit, and note your service request number, SRN, for future reference. That's it. You have successfully filed your IEPF-5 form. Remember to send the required physical documents to the nodal officer of the company for Honch Bank after filing online and upload the postal receipt. Only after uploading the postal receipt, form can be filled successfully. Stay informed and safeguard your investments. Subscribe for more financial literacy videos. Like and share this guide.